Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to download and install MiniConda 3, that means the latest version MiniConda in Windows 11. So first of all, in this case we have to go to the Mozilla Firefox browsing site, then we have to write MiniConda install, then go to the Conda documentation. So in this case, or in the meantime, we have to know that what is MiniConda. So MiniConda is a free minimal installer for Conda. It is a small bootstrap version of Anaconda that includes only Conda, Python, the packages they both depend on, and a small number of other useful packages like pip, zlib, and a few others. So in this case, we will download the MiniConda Windows 64-bit, as because my Windows is 64-bit. It's downloading. Let's it completed. Now click next. We have to press, then I agree. Next. See, it's completed. Then next. Finish. Now we will check from the searching options. Anaconda prompt. Then we have to write Python. See, here is the 3.11.5, as well as the, if we check from the program control panel, then MiniConda Python version 3.11.5 64-bit. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.